Hello. Welcome to today's video. Today we are looking for some useful car accessories. Before going to start video, please subscribe our channel. Let's start our video. First one. This is back neck massager. You can buy it online within $49. Second one. This is car exterior underglow LED light. You can buy it online within $33. Third one. This is adjustable car neck pillow. You can buy it online within $37. Fourth one. This is essential oil car diffuser. You can buy it online within $18. Fifth one. This is car baby seat monitor. You can buy it online within $39. Sixth one. This is blind spot mirror. You can buy it online within $10. Seventh one. This is car LED lights cup holder. You can buy it online within $13. 8th one. This is stop sign for car garage packing. You can buy it online within $20. 9th one. This is car mask box. You can buy it online within $10. 10th one. This is lap stop steering wheel desk. You can buy it online within $30. 11th one. This is car food tray. You can buy it online within $20. 'So, today we are looking for some useful car accessories. If you want those products, you can get them through the links below the description. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. See you soon in the next video.